Hello guys. So today I'll be joined by my sister from Uganda, and her name is Harare the Traveler. So we'll be walking and showing Mbare Market, guys. I hope you enjoy the video.
Closest in Uganda, we call them kanzi.
All right. So in Zimbabwe, we call them makimins. Makimins. They are for apostles, you know.
For apostles.
Those churches. Yeah.
Ah, okay. For Christian.
Yeah, for Christians. They are Christians.
Okay. The ones who preach the gospel.
Yeah, that's true.
Hello. How are you? That's a we journalist.
So these ones they are different. You see the colors.
So these ones they are for ladies, eh?
No, even
even men. Even men.
Explain.
So how much is like that one?
$7.
$7,
Yes.
eh? Ah. So even men put on this one?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
This is the red color.
The red color.
Yeah, it
Okay.
works somehow.
Okay.
Then this is the white colors.
Red colors. Okay.
Yeah.
What are you drinking?
It's castle.
Castle.
Yeah, it's castle. It's made from hops.
Okay. That is a Zimbabwe beer.
Yeah, this one is not the original Zimbabwean beer. The original Zimbabwe beer, in Zimbabwe they don't have beer. This is lager.
Lager.
You can drink it whilst you're eating sadza.
Okay. Are you sure?
I'm sure. Even if the police caught you, even they say you are drinking beer, no, this is beer, it's lager.
Lager.
Beer is this one.
Is that one?
Yeah, black label beer. Look here. It's written in black boy.
Beer.
This is beer.
Okay.
But this is lager.
Lager. So what is the difference between beer and lager?
Oh, the difference between beer and lager. Beer, you get drunk.
Okay. And lager.
Lager, you just became more like a comedian.
Okay. Now you're a comedian.
No, I'm not a comedian.
Now you're saying lager, you become like a comedian.
Yeah, you be more like talking like.
Now you're talking like.
Yeah, talking like.
Now you're a comedian.
No, I'm not a comedian.
Yeah.
Kafupi is a comedian, not me.
Who?
Kafupi.
Who is Kafubi?
Kafupi lives in Ebwede.
She's an actress, a comedian.
Yeah, he's a comedian. So what do you enjoy doing in life? Singing, comedian?
Life is hard these days. I'm selling these things. Do you know them? The garments.
No, it's my first time to see them.
The garment.
Yes, these ones. They are,
Can I give you one?
They are telling me they
Can
are
you put it one?
apostles.
Can you put on one?
Okay, you can. You dress me. You are the one to dress me.
Yes. Don't worry.
Okay.
This one with the collar, I think it's something.
Yeah. My brother is going to dress me. Oh.
This one. Yeah. Go to this one.
You're going to dress me. He's going to dress me.
Yeah.
Of course, you are the one to dress me.
It's fine.
I'm Nigeria.
No. Torito, Mira man.
Are you Nigeria?
My brother is going to dress me.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
No.
Because here in Mbare, if you take off your bag, it will take off as well.
Guys.
Yeah, if you take off your bag, it will take off
Show it so that it can see.
You are the one to do this.
Oh, you want me to dress you? You look like you are pregnant or what?
Now I'm Angel.
No, wait.
One thing.
Samaria. Come on. Remove your label diagram, my friend.
This is a vibe, eh? This is a vibe. So I am a nun.
Yeah, you're more like an angel.
They are the nuns who put on this.
No, Yame Maria.
Yame Maria.
Yeah, Yame Maria, the mother of
From Roman
A
Catholic.
mother of Jesus.
Yeah,
The one who puts on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, Guys, you see how I'm dressed here in the market of Mbare?
Mbare.
Mbare. Okay, Mbare.
Mbara is oh Mbara.
Mbare with my comedian.
Yeah?
Yes. Hey, I want
It's like this.
Andaziva. Yes.
I'm just going far away.
Aiwa. I'm from Samaria.
Don't worry about the cake. Your
Hey.
cake is inside.
Hey.
Then we overthrew it backwards. Oh!
Hey!
Now you're in Nani.
I look nice.
Oh, Papa, I'm going to see you.
Guys, oh my god. Guys, do you see this? Actually, it's my first time to wear this, and big up to my brother. Come.
Okay.
Come. We give him a credit. How out of 10? How many? Guys,
I
red.
don't know.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh, let me claim.
Guys, see the
You're
gathering
looking
around
cute,
us. I'm looking cute.
Oh, you're looking cute. Gorgeous, in fact. Oh, let me give you the big one.
So your money is take.
It's mine.
This one is called the Vetmaya. You wear it like this.
My koro.
Yeah, Makoro.
My koro.
Macro bag in English.
My koro.
You wear it like this. Then you put your wares here when you are going somewhere. Your things will be in here.
My bagger will be here.
Everything.
And it will be safe.
You are safe.
Oh my god, guys, this is a real big up to our big man. Here is the one who has dressed me. We give him 10. No, Zimbabwe is a rich country.
It's a rich country, but the people are in Zimbabwe are not rich. We are very poor. We are not rich. When I have to do my photos.
But you know what I can say, yeah? Every country has its problems. And there is no country that is perfect. Even my country, Uganda, if you come, you'll cry tears.
Uganda is a country.
Whatever you might think it's good.
Here we are poor. We don't have money, but we have peace.
Yes, that is it.
Yeah, that's the thing.
You know, when you have peace, you have everything. It's like you have life. And life is more.
Our country is very peaceful. We have peace. We don't have money, but we have peace in our country.
That is a very important thing. Me, I always normally tell people that when you have peace,
You have everything.
you can stay in harmony.
Yes.
You can stay in harmony.
Yes.
You can talk to your brother.
Yes.
You cannot run here and here.
Yes, and we
look
work
at
for
Israel
free.
now.
We are
They live
staying here
Palestine.
free
They
life.
are running here
Yes,
and there.
yes. We don't have
You
war.
lose everything.
Yes.
Even the
Yeah,
small
that's
things
true.
you have.
Yes.
But now if your country is peaceful,
Yeah.
it's like you have everything.
Do you want
Other
to have
things come.
a friend of us? The two guys. I want to be a friend of us.
You want to be my friend?
Yes.
You're already my friend. Once you're in my camera, you're my friend. Yes. Thank you so much. Eh?
Yeah, that's true.
They are new, like these ones are new.
Yeah, these ones are new.
Second hand.
In our country, we are very peaceful.
Yes,
Yes. Thank you so much.
yeah.
Go and see us at your TV in Uganda.
So how much are the clothes? Like the price?
Guys, we started $50 cents,
10 zig.
10 zig each.
All right.
$1 each.
Okay.
Kana ziri boots, $50 each.
All right. So what time do you start work?
Half past 6 o'clock. Half past 5 to 6 o'clock.
All right. And now you are still
I'm
fit.
still here.
All right.
And then ndogona papana pa kuma 27.
All right.
Because vanhu vanenge vakufamba pamotogona kuzonongerwa.
All right. So are they buying? Like people are they buying?
Mazuva ano zviri low. Togona kutengesa kana $5.
Is it not about January? Because every business,
It's not about January.
it's about what?
From November up to now,
The business is slow.
it's low.
Because people are trying to recover.
Yeah, that's
Especially ukatonai. Apa waridzi.
Yeah, these ones are pumpkin. Yeah, yeah.
They're pumpkin.
And these ones, they look like they taste good, these ones.
I don't know how much is this one.
How much is it?
How are you?
Aruja Mari. Ndiye murungu mudhara.
Morgan, the other guy was saying hello, again he's running away.
Why he's afraid?
Eh?
He's afraid.
He never wanted to be in our camera. This is very interesting.
Yeah, that's true.
This is a very interesting market. Guys, if I tell you that life starts in this market, believe me or not. Oh, you're selling okra? Yes. How much is okra? $1 for 2. Yes. Guys, I wish. You know, okra is good.
Yeah, very good.
Very good. But just cooking and drinking. Lama banana. The problem is we don't cook. Stay in hotel.
Oh, you stay in the hotel?
Yeah. Next time.
Next time.
Yes. I will come.
So if you come in the morning, they will be all picked here, everywhere.
Here is where they get to bring all the produce.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the agricultural produce they bring here and
Mali is one.
wholesale price. Yeah. I think they sell in bundles, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. So these are soil chunks.
Sister, what about this one? Yeah, sister.
You're trying to confuse
Take the photo. Take the photo.
Are you going to marry?
So, what do you think?
Will you take me tonight out
Yes,
and buy for me food?
whatever you want.
What do you want to become in future? Football player? Okay. What is your best team? Man City. And who is your favorite player? Kalien Walker. Okay. He's also from Man City? Yes. Oh, nice. I wish your dreams come true. Okay, good luck. Eh?
This guy is great.
Your first wife. First wife, you come and buy this for your first wife.
Come and buy for your first wife.
Come and buy for your first wife. Don't is just to
Buy
admire
one.
your
Buy
first
one
wife.
coke.
Give me
One coke.
one code.
Buy one coke. This one is great.
Madora.
First put them there. Guys, let me show you something. I have always seen this type of worms in Ghana, like Ghana, Nigeria. So these are the worms. Actually, I saw how they prepare
What?
the worms.
Oh,
These are
Jesus.
So what they do is they first put hot water.
You
Sorry,
boil
you're
them.
America.
After boiling, you
Okay.
after you boil them,
Come on,
just
go on, hold on,
take out
hold on.
candy.
Oh, church mouse.
Church mouse.
Oh wow, that's nice. It's interesting. So they have beans. They have this.
There's round
So guys, I'm here in Mbare, so I was showing my sister the Mbare Musika. So let's hope you enjoyed the tour in Mbare.
Oh my God, I really loved the market, the vibe you guys that we got from the market. Oh my God, people are so, thank you so much Morgan. Oh my God, I enjoyed. I can't wait to go back again tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll come definitely tomorrow so that
Yeah.
we'll see many people in the market.
Yeah.
So for this video, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Even visit YouTube
Harriet the
account.
Traveler.
Harriet the Traveler.
Yeah, guys.
So thank you, guys.